In this video, I'm going to show you how to do slow motion video in TikTok. So if you want to make a TikTok in slow motion, then make sure you follow the steps in this video, and then you should be able to make slow motion videos on TikTok on your Android or iOS device. So first of all, you want to open TikTok. Then once you're here, or once you're there, you want to click on the plus icon, and you can then click on speed at the top right corner under flip. So click on speed, and then right there you can actually select the speed rate. So you can click on 0.3, 0.5. You can also speed this up by 2 or 3x, but you want to click on 0.5 or 0.3 if you want to record a video in slow motion on TikTok. You can then pretty much hold the record button and you will then film in slow motion. Now, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know in the comments if this works, and if you have any questions, I'll reply to all of you, and then I'll see you in the next video.